Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to save and share your favorite places with lists inside Google Maps. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store, type in Google Maps. Make sure Google Maps is updated to the latest version. If it is, click on open. If it isn't, it will say update, so update, and then once that's done, open it up. Alright, I've already got a few saved places here, but I'll add another saved place to this list. So I'm going to do the Cruising Yacht Club of South Australia, so click and hold, and now I want to save that, so I'm going to click on save, click on random, and then click on done. And now to see your list, just go back to the home screen of Google Maps and then click on saved. There's my list there, random, so I want to share that with friends or family, so I'm going to click on the three vertical dots, and then it should have an option here saying share list, so click on share list. Share this list. Anyone with this link will see the list with your profile name and picture. Yes, continue. And now here I can send it to any friends or family on my messages, or copy to clipboard and send it directly through Messenger or Telegram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, etc, etc. Alright, that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.